Good morning, everybody. I'm here at the Gulf Print and Pack exhibition in Dubai. I'm here at the Printech Middle East stand where Omet is their regional distributor. And it's a pleasure to be here with Andrea Angeli, who's the Printing Division Export Area Manager for Omet. Welcome, Andrea. And I'm also here with Jay Chawda, who is the Technical Director Labels for Printech Middle East. Welcome,
Thank you.
Jay.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to see both of you and your wonderful stand. It's been a while since we all met together. I suppose it's almost 2.5 years now. So tell us, Andrea, if I can ask you a little bit about Omet's journey during this, I would say, unpleasant, but still in the midst of this unpleasant experience, we had some pleasant experience of good business also. So please take us through this journey.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much, first of all, for the opportunity you are giving us. Let's say that, it's been tough. 2 tough years, but let's say we never thought that the world was ending, even when the lockdown was announced. We instead take the opportunity, and this situation has been a source of, let's say, inspiration, okay, to find a way to sort out and to continue the business for us, for our customer, focusing immediately to how to take care about them, how to ship their machines, how to continue to service them. And we were probably the first to start to install remotely and do maintenance remotely to our customer. It was April, and we were already installing a press like that in Saudi. So it's been tough, but let's say we did it.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah.
Jay, if I may ask you also the similar question, like from a regional perspective, you know, you also had some challenges and also some good experiences during this time of pandemic or this COVID situation that we all went through. So please give us your experience.
So as you know, we had almost 2 years of on and off lockdowns, and it was tough times for us to even visit the customers. But thanks to our principals like Omet, like Rati, we were able to support them. Even at this time, we were able to give remote support. We were able to do remote installations. It was amazing. It was a fantastic effort from Omet's side, from the customers to move forward. And I think that it is showing in the result that we have had the maximum number of sales in our machines. In the last 3 years, we have put up a lot of new machines. So these customers are now ready for the market when the market opens. Now we can see the market is already improving. Things are improving. We have now started traveling. I've also been to Saudi. So yes, business is coming back, and it's a good time for all of us now. Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thanks.
Andrea, if I can get back to you about Omet as a company, you have definitely done quite a lot of innovations and perhaps some new products that you are coming out with, and some you can announce, some maybe you are keeping under wraps for some more days, I suppose.
Yes,
so tell
let's
it.
say that,
yeah.
We just have to patience a little bit.
Okay.
Because on the 24th June we will have a great event in Omet. Okay. On the other side of the road of the new headquarters, we will show the new innovation park. That is a plant, half for research and development and half for demo center, and an open space even for our partners. Okay. There we will announce and show in the world premiere a new product, a new machine. So let's see. But this is not all. Let's say Omet during these years developed a couple and more new things like the Galileo. That is a new way, a new concept for customer care and customer service. And Nova, that is an innovative way to guarantee a very, very nice, probably the best level of service and remote control to the customer, because thanks to all the subsidiaries that we have all around the world, we are now able to cover really the 24 and 7/7, thanks to the Omet India, Omet Italy, Omet China, Omet America. Okay, and this system is able to speak over than 50 languages. So it's like that you have behind the screen, behind the other side of the world, the best possible technician with the feeling of your language, like a local support. So this is something
wonderful. Tell us a little more on your sustainable initiatives, that you have done. I know that as a machine manufacturer, you can do quite a few things, but then it all depends on the converter or the substrates, or let's say the material that is being used to print
Correct.
and convert. But from a machine manufacturer standpoint, what have you done? And if you can tell us a little more on
Absolutely.
your,
Let's say we are focusing on every time on a more automation level that will reduce drastically the waste of material.
Sure.
Thanks to register control and making of the registration more and more sophisticated. We are focusing on a less consumption of energy thanks to LED system, e-beam curing, and we developed even a new cold foil application called Cold Foil Saver that can reduce till 50% the waste of the cold foil itself. So it's something that the customer are really liking, and we are facing a lot of orders regarding it. I can say it proudly.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah. Jay, one last question for both of you. I'll start with Jay. Jay, if you can quickly tell us about your experience in the region now that you're with Omet, and what's your biggest learning curve, or let's say what do you feel the industry is going through, because we are moved from a conventional label to a little more specialized label to in mold and many other specialized label applications in our region. That's why I'm asking you this question. So tell us your experience and tell us how are we doing as a region? Are we up to the mark, or North America and Europe, are they way much above, or are we to that level? What do you see in our region?
I see in our region also now customers are becoming very conscious. They have started demanding more. They want to be able to process various substrates on the same machine. So we see that our top-end machines with the higher automations are selling more because customers want to satisfy each and every demand that they are getting in the market. They are not only self-adhesives, you are finding wraparound labels, PVC shrink sleeves, IML labels. So the market is growing, the market is becoming more diverse. So that is where Omet has been working on, to help the customers to be able to process even the short runs from a conventional flexo press so that they can be competitive in the market. And this is where we see that yes, the market is getting fragmented. It is a lot of products are getting diversified, and the customers are also picking up the challenge, and they are going into the new technologies. They are adapting them very fast so that they can support the customers, their own customers, in the right way.
Okay,
So,
okay.
yeah.
Thank you. Andrea, one last question, but it's an important question.
Yeah.
So tell us about Omet. I mean, you've been in this sector for quite some time. How many years that Omet is a company now?
Yeah, let's say since 19. So
wow, that's quite a long time. So since then you're into this manufacturing, right? So how would you set yourself apart from so many other suppliers, your colleagues, let's put it that way? So many other equipment manufacturers are available in our region and around the world. So what is your specialty? Why do you think converters who are listening to this, and your existing customers and prospective customers who are listening to this, how would you classify yourself, set yourself apart from your competition? Let me put,
yeah. Let's say I think that I can proudly say we are among the best. The explanation is this because since 63 of the last century we are doing converting machines, not only in printing but even in tissue. Okay, and this diversification, complete diversification, make us able to run and to process the most various material possible and to do multiple converting process in line. We manage flexo, we manage offset, we manage gravure, screen, digital together with the partnership with Gersten. So in one supplier you find many. Okay. During the last years, let's say maintaining the flexo as our core business, but we developed the hybrid solution, digital plus flexo, and the offset together with the electron beam solution. So we really are able to cover a range of possible products so that the customer has always the answer they need by a very experienced company and technical team. So,
brilliant. That was great.
It's been tough, but yeah. I think that we did it, and we can look positively to the future. We will win again. Yeah.
Best for the rest of the show and also for the future. Yeah.
Thank you.
All the very best. Thank you. Thank you.